In this video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up and use your Little Green seeding machine. It comes ready to use right out of the box, and you'll be saving time and money in no time. Just follow these easy steps. If you already know your seeding rate, just check the quick start guide to choose the right wheel size and roller for your seeding density. For example, if you're seeding broccoli at 16 grams, you want to use roller 2B and wheel size 130. Attach the wheels and roller to the machine and adjust the front legs to match the size of the wheel, which in this case would be 130. Next, tighten the brush adjuster to create tension on the roller. It's labeled 1 to 9 on the brush adjuster, and level 6 is a good starting point. You can also make minor adjustments to the seeding rate by adjusting the brush. Higher numbers mean fewer seeds, and lower numbers means more seeds. Now just add your seed to the hopper and you're ready to go. When you're done with one variety and ready to switch, just loosen the brush so the remaining seeds drop in a tray or bag. Spin the roller to clear out any stuck seeds, and you're all set for the next crop. And that's it. The Little Green seed machine is so quick and easy to use, no matter the size of your farm.